Hello, today we are practicing auscultation of the heart. Our student's name?
I'm Rafay Hameed from group OMA 222. So we are performing auscultations of heart. In auscultations of heart, we have 5 total assessment points. The first one is the bicuspid valve. The mitral valve is located at the 5th intercostal space at the mid-clavicularis line.
Inside 1 point?
Inside 1.5 centimeter.
Okay, listening please.
So the second assessment point is on the right side. This is the aortic valve at the second intercostal space.
Near the sternum.
The third assessment point is pulmonary valve. It's located at the second intercostal space on the left sternal border. The fourth point is located at the level of xiphoid process. This is the tricuspid valve.
Okay. You looking this have deep, yeah? You listening 2 times. This and this. Okay? Listening now. You listening
the
sound?
Fifth point is the Alps point. It's located at the third intercostal space on the left sternal border.
Okay. Okay, we have completed auscultation of the heart, and also in mitral valve points we need counting heartbeat, and we are putting our fundoscope opening watch, and we are listening heartbeat, and we need counting how much in 1 minute. Okay, thank you so much.